Hello everyone and very warm good morning to all of you. In the previous topic, we have already discussed about IUPAC nomenclature and coordination compound. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about isomerism in coordination compound. So first of all, what is isomerism? So isomerism are those substances या those compound या those molecule which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of group or ligands are called isomer and the phenomena is called isomerism. So the heading is isomerism in coordination compound. Isomerism in coordination compound. Coordination compounds. So the definition is those substances या those compounds which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of groups or we can say ligands around central metal ion is called isomerism and the phenomenon is called isomerism. Isomers. Here called isomers and this called isomerism. I am repeating again definition. Those compounds which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of groups. Groups means ligands. Around central metal ion is called isomers and the phenomena is called isomerism. Actually, isomerism can be divided into two categories. First is structural isomerism and second is stereo isomerism. So now see here two types of isomerism. Isomerism. Can be divided into two categories. First is structural isomerism. And second type is stereo isomerism. Is it clear? Actually, structural isomerism further went to following category. First is ionization isomerism. Second is hydrate isomerism. Third is linkage isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Next is coordination position isomerism. And the last is polymerization isomerism. So overall, the structural isomerism can be divided into 6 categories. First is ionization isomerism, second is hydrated, third is linkage, fourth is coordination isomerism, 5 is coordination position isomerism, and last is polymerization isomerism. Now here there are two types. First is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism can divide into two categories. First is cis form and second is transform. And optical isomerism, last is optical isomerism, and it can be divided into two categories. First is dextroform and second is levoform. Is it clear? So isomerism, first of all definition, those molecules, those compounds which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of group or ligands around central metal ion is called isomerism. Isomerism can be divided into two categories. First is structural isomerism and second is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism means having same structure and molecular formula but have different arrangement of group around central metal ion is called structural isomerism. Structural isomerism further divided into six categories. First is ionization isomerism, second is hydrated isomerism, third is linkage isomerism, fourth is coordination isomerism, fifth is coordination position isomerism, and last one is polymerization isomerism. Now stereoisomerism further divided into two categories. First is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism can be further divided into two categories. First is cis form and second is transform, and the last one is optical isomerism. Optical isomerism is divided into two categories. First is dextroform and second is levoform. Is it clear? So in next lecture we will discuss about one by one of all type of isomerism, means ionization, hydrated, linkage and coordination isomerism. Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much.